Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this 2D drawing in AutoCAD step by step. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to sharpen your AutoCAD skill, you are in the right place. In this lecture, we will cover everything from setting up your workspace, creating the outer shape, adding the precise circles, and finally dimensioning it just like a pro. By the end of the tutorial, you will be able to create this exact sketch with confidence. So let's jump right in and start drawing. You can download this AutoCAD and image link in the description box. So let's get started. Step 1. Set the unit typing unit command unit units, press enter. You have this dialog box. Use length type as a decimal, precision as you want. We need to fix 0.00, angle decimal degrees, insertion scale millimeter. Now press OK. Now step 2. Create the outer shape. As per this diagram, start by the drawing of horizontal line for the base of the shape. This one from here to here. So type line command using L, enter, click first point and then type 60 for 60, press enter for line of 60 mm. Now draw the vertical line both sides. L for line from here 22, press enter. Again same as opposite side 22, press enter. For the top angle, line with 45 angle using the line command from the endpoints of the vertical line. So L for line, click here, type @22 and using greater than symbol with shift and press 45 as an angle. 45 and press enter. Create line with a straight horizontally 22. So L for line, first point, press 22, enter, and now close this line from here to here. So this outer shape, it will be complete. This outer shape almost complete. We need to draw inner circle. For the first larger circle on the left, type circle using C, enter, click on first point and press D for diameter. Put 18 diameter. Now select your circle, M for move, upside 18, enter. Again M for move, P for previous selection, press enter, click first point and right side it will be 18 move. Larger circle it will be completed. Now we make a smaller circle. C for circle, click on this end point. Now this circle radius will be 5. So press 5, enter. Now need to move upside 10. M for move, L for last object, press enter. Click any point of your drawing and put it upside, move 10, enter. Now again M for move, P for previous selection, enter and click and move left side as a value 18 mm. So now press 18, enter. So now complete my outer and inner shape. We are going to next step, adding the dimensions. You can add dimension as per the given sketch. Use the DIM for dimension command. So DIM, enter. So if you go on your line, click just like 22. Now here click just like 22 point something. Again same from here, click just like. Otherwise you can use DLI command, press enter. Now this one, again now this one. For using your measure your angle, so you can use DAN for dimension angular command. First point and second point it will be 45. If you measure your circle or bigger circle, you can choose from here dimension diameter. So you can use as a shortcut DDI, enter, click on your circle and put value. Again you can use for smaller circle as a radius, DRA dimension radius command, and click this one, just like. If you need to add this dimension, you can grip this last point and now downside, and using DLI for dimension linear command from this point to this point, downside 18. You can need to continue, so DCO for dimension continue command and click just like first point and end point. Double check the angle, degrees and overall size drawing using DIM command. Final adjustment: ensure that all drawings and dimensions are clearly visualized, correctly placed, just like in the reference drawing. So now you can select all these drawings except these measurement. You need to uncheck using press shift command and select your measurement. Now this one is unchecked. Okay, go to properties from here and need to add more thickness for clear visualize your drawing. Now finally it's okay. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please give me a thumb and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more great content. You can also download the PDF and AutoCAD file for this exercise in the description below. You can support means a lot for me and helps me create even more valuable content for you. See you in the next tutorial. Tata, bye bye, take care.